great. Like, I can care less about.
What's going on, guys? I just want to let you guys know this is the stud conversion video because originally I was going to make it a two-parter, but this will just be the stud conversion video. This is just for anything that I might say that might be misunderstanding. I just needed to clear that up before the video begins. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and enjoy.
Yes, sir. Back with another video. The car looks like a mess. There's stuff everywhere. We are going to be doing a stud conversion kit on the BMW, and we're going to finally put the wheels on. Today's the day. I'm nervous about the rears because I got really big tires and they say they don't really fit on here, so hopefully this is a success today, but I guess we'll see. Alright, so first things first, you are going to need your studs. And I'll order mine from ECS online. I'll send the website so you guys can have the website, but you'll have to do, you know, everything else from there because some of these are specifically made for certain studs and certain hubs and everything. So I got these. You're able to put your car in and then they'll show you the right ones to buy. So I got all of mine. They're all in here. We just got to take them apart and start putting them in there. You're also going to need some wheel lock. When I ordered these, it didn't come with it, so I went and got some of my own. This is 271. Now when you're doing this, you want to make sure that your stud is basically facing like this. See the little end right there where it's poking out at? That's going to go in first. So you're going to take this in and then screw them in on each side until it's snug all the way in. This one is going in perfectly. You guys don't understand how happy this makes me because I already ordered studs before and they turned out to be the wrong size, and it was just this whole hassle and everything. It was just a headache, but to know that these actually fit makes me so happy. So like I said before, make sure you get this in there. It's going to be this piece right here. It's going to be this part of it basically, as you can see right here. That's going inside here. Now first you're going to take the wheel lock, put a little bit on there, and then screw it in completely. Once it's screwed in tight, you want to torque it with a Twerk wrench that I have. I got an old school one I'm going to be using. If I'm correct, for this one is 271, and on the back it says you should torque it to about, where is it, 250 to 275. Right there, 250 to 275, it says it right there. So I'm going to do that for all of these, and then we'll go from there. One more thing I also forgot to mention, this one has a Hex Bit on it, on the end, so I can use a Hex. I have a Twerk size set. This one specifically was this one. It's a 3/16 Twerk Hex. I'm bad with tool names, but this one, it basically just fits right into it. Oh, wrong side. It fits right into it, so that way I can take a wrench and jack this in properly so it's in all the way. Please with the focus. There we go. I'm bad with tool names, but basically this will be able to fit in here, and then I can torque it properly so that way it's torqued in. Man, we got the rears and the fronts, and this car looks completely different now from this angle. Are you kidding me? What is going on? But then you got these things. See, it looks so basic from right here, but the second you walk over here, oh my goodness. Please ignore the monster ride height. Coilovers coming very soon, I promise. Sheesh. The stretch. Same thing like we've been doing this whole time. All of them are done. And now I gotta go grab my wheel from inside my house so we can put this on. But the other side, man. Just wow. Completely different car. I just need some tire shine and some coilovers. It's gonna be perfect. I love it. Stuck here with some gas.
If you try to say something like you're a drug or alcohol abuse, you won't be protected by the United States law.
Don't you guys think? Alright guys, I apologize in advance. I just want to talk a little bit about the stud conversion kit so we can wrap this video up. So basically, just like I showed you guys from the beginning, that's all you're going to need is the thread locker, and you're going to need these studs. Also, you're going to make sure that you get the hex bit like I told you guys before, because once you get that, then you'll literally have everything you need. As long as you got a wrench, torque wrench, so you can torque it to the proper spec and everything, you're going to be alright. I have been driving with the whole setup on for about 3 days now, and I've had not any issues. They also recommend that around after 200 to 250 miles that you go back and retighten everything to make sure that everything is properly set. Once I hit that 250 mark, I will probably do that in a separate video where I'm retightening everything to make sure that it looks good. But besides that, I've had no issues and no complaints at all. The car looks way better with these new tires and wheels on, so I'm excited, I'm happy. I hope this video was helpful for anybody who needed help learning how to do the stud conversion kit. I will put the link to the website that I ordered mine from. That way you can properly order yours and you guys can go from there. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are brand new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. We out.